The future of IoT relies on solutions that are both stable and secured. And I feel that between Advantech's advanced hardware solution and Canonical's open source software solution, we have a very potent association there, very potent partnership that enables us to empower our customers to make the most innovative solutions in the IoT sphere. So first, to learn about some of the most recent innovations in IoT. Second, to see amazing demos. And third, to meet with premier partners. See you at Advantech's World Partner Conference.